I'm trying to get you guys to realize that food is perfect. It is you who's messing up the process. We can grow 500 of these tomatoes in just 20 inches. Look how perfect they are. Can you get tomatoes 100% perfect like that? Of course not. That's why we have torpedo pot. While you guys are starving, I get free food all the time. My tomato seeds are thousands of them for $1. All over the place. Look, not one tomato is showing any signs of deficiency. Not one tomato is showing any bug marks. I don't have the problems that you have. You must get a torpedo pot. You must get a torpedo pot. Stop messing around. All the money that you're putting into your garden, think you're going to get something perfect, and you don't get it. It's not that the hard work that you're putting in is not valuable and is not needed, but the problem is that you're misguided. You're taking agricultural methods that you got someplace that you saw from a agricultural company selling chemicals, and you decide to set up your garden that way with rows, and then you use chemicals in it where you have to now go in with your trowel and all that stuff. Look, dude, you polluted the grounds, you polluted your sky, you polluted your water. Grow with torpedo pot. You're almost guaranteed to have a crop. Look how perfect that is. No blemishes at all. No blemishes. Not one blemish at all. Perfect in every way because I'm growing with torpedo pot. I don't have a problem with food. I never did have a problem with food. I got thousands to harvest. You have none. And I know it may seem like a flex, but I'm trying to get it through to you that your food processing that you're doing right now, how you're growing it and everything else, it's not real. It's not natural. It's not organic. It's not based upon the fungal environment. You will never have what I have and the abundance that I have. 3,000 tomatoes, more than 3,000 tomatoes. This one planter alone will give me 500 tomatoes. 500 tomatoes. I have to pick it. And I'll get more. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. That's beautiful. That's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. No blemishes, nothing. It's perfect in every way. That's what torpedo pot does. It makes your food, it allows your food to develop itself and to grow what it was intended to be. Part of its genetic inheritance.